Hey everyone, this is Bicky here, and today in this video, I'm gonna show you a basic concept of affiliate marketing. Okay, so guys, basically affiliate marketing is very simple, and this is the basic concept of affiliate marketing. So first of all, you have a system in place. You have a product. Now, once you have the system, what you do, guys, you send traffic to that system. Okay, and when you send traffic to that system, to that program, to that product, you get to make sell and you make commission from that system, right? So this is the very simple concept of affiliate marketing, having a system in place and then sending traffic to that system, and that traffic makes you sale and commission. So this is the very simple concept of affiliate marketing. And thing is, let's say when you have a system, it's always recommended that whenever you choose a system, whenever you choose a program, always choose a program where you can make where you can have multiple income source. Okay, so let's say you are promoting a program, and that program has just one income stream. So what will happen, guys, when you will send the traffic, okay, to that system, you will have the opportunity to make that money from just one income stream, even though that person whom you referred, either using Facebook ad, solo ad, TikTok, YouTube, whatever, that one person, that one lead of yours will go through one income stream, and you will be able to make sell from one opportunity. But the system that I normally use and I promote is that which have multiple income streams, and I'm gonna show you an example of such system which has multiple income stream. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, this is a multiple income funnel, and if you're watching this, if you're watching my video, you already know that I have been promoting this program recently. So as you can see here, guys, if I go on step 2, okay, if I click on step 2, let me decrease the size. So yeah, when I click on step 2, you can see income stream number 1, income stream number 2, income stream number 3, income stream number 4. So what happens, guys, when you send the traffic to the system, your traffic, your leads will go through all these 4 income streams, and you will make commissions from all these 4 different income streams. Okay, and about this income stream, if I show you here, the number 1 income stream is the multiple income funnel itself. Okay, so as you can see, income stream is multiple income funnel. So this income stream, guys, it pays $20. This $20 is reoccurring. It means you will be getting this $20 commission per month. Okay, now guys, the second income stream, which is Easy One Up here, Easy One Up, this income stream, this has commission up to $2,000. Okay, so here you're gonna make $2,000 commission up to per sales. And then comes text bot. So as you can see, this is a text bot. Here the commission is up to $500. Okay, and the fourth one is income stream number 4, traffic authority. So guys, traffic authority, you're gonna get 40% of whatever purchase your referral, your lead make on traffic authority. So that's how you're gonna get 40% on traffic authority. So guys, like I told you, whenever you choose a system, a program, promote that program which has multiple income stream. Like this one, the one which I'm promoting, this multiple income funnel, it has 4 different income stream, right? 4 different income streams. Also there are some other income stream as well. If you go on bonus income stream, you can see 2 more income streams. Okay, but to keep things simple, I'm showing you the 4 main income stream right here. Okay, and after you join these systems, you get affiliate link. Okay, these are your websites. So if you click here, these are your websites that you get a pre-made websites. You just copy this link and you start promoting, you start sending traffic, and you get sales. Also, this is called email capture page. So when you promote something like this website, your lead will put their email and first name, and that's how they will create their account, and that's how you're gonna make those sales. Okay, you're gonna make those commissions, as you can see $20. So if you talk about what is the startup cost here, so guys, this multiple income funnel, before I show you what is the startup cost, let me show you some of the results that people are having. Okay, so this is the Facebook group of this program, and as you can see here, this person, she made $120 $25 sales. As you can see, you just made a power line sale. And if we go to the next, this person, he made $16 commission. He made from traffic authority. Okay, and this person, he made $20 commission. So this commission was from the same multiple income funnel. Okay, and this person here, as you can see, $20 $20 $20. So all these commissions are coming from the multiple income funnel itself. And if we keep going, here another commission. Okay, if you keep going, this is live training. So there is some live training every day, it's called daily wake up call, and this is $80 commissions. Okay, so all these commissions, guys, that you are seeing here, all these commissions these people are making from this program on daily basis. Okay, when they send their traffic. So this person made $250 today. Okay, so what is the thing is, what is the startup cost? So guys, the startup cost is $49 on multiple income funnel. Okay, $49. So this is the startup cost of this multiple income funnel here. Okay, and when you go inside the system, then you can join EG1UP, which is from $25. Okay, from $25 to $2,000. So this is the EG1UP income stream number 2 startup cost. Okay, and then income stream number 3, which is $100, okay, to $500, depends on what label you join. Okay, on EG1UP. And traffic authority, it varies. Okay, it varies, depends on what traffic package you purchase. On that level you're gonna make those commissions. So literally, guys, you can just start with $25 and $49. So you can start with these two and you will be good to go. But all those big commissions that if you want to make, you should go for the bigger level. But anyway, in the beginning you can start with $49 and $25, and then you will be able to get started on this system. Okay, and make commissions like all those people that you just saw. So yeah, guys, this was a quick video on how to choose system which has multiple income streams and the concept of affiliate marketing. So basically, guys, if you want to start on this system, multiple income funnel, what I will do is I will put the link of this program below this video, so you can go ahead and create your account, and see you in the next video.